is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did like it. Bear with me, I'm trying to find a matching sock and that literally never happens. So I found a gray sock. So gray and black it is. I really need to go get more socks. Okay, so I have a little extra time this morning. I had a really long day at work yesterday, and I was about to have a really long day at work today too, but my boss was like, just come in the afternoon, which is really cool. But I am gonna go to Starbucks. There's a new drink that I want to try. It's called the Tanner drink, but I saw it on, what is it? Caitlin, Finch, her channel. So I'm gonna go get that shit. And I'm gonna take the dogs with me because there's a little, it's not even a park, it's just what I've made it a park. It's a fenced in area behind Lowe's, and I always take my dogs there, so because nobody's there and I always worry about my dogs not getting along with other dogs. Well, yeah, we're gonna go do this. That little girl is obsessed with these two. Obsessed. Put up. Cyrus, get your butt. Cyrus! Well, that literally never usually happens, you fucknut. Bella just jumps right in the car like a good girl. And it's usually the polar opposite. Get your butt up here. Cyrus, get over here. You say sorry.
Hi, it's Gigi.
Okay.
Join me at the
I'm taking my hair
this Saturday from 12 to 2.
out of this dumbass braid. Get out of my drink! Why are you being a rebel? Oh my gosh. Okay. We're not having the windows down because it is 36 degrees out. I have camera holders for my dash. Sorry if you see my steering wheel and that's it, but my camera's probably zooming in on it. Oh, it's cold. Derek drove my car to work last night because he has a diesel and it's like, it takes a really long time to warm up if there's like super cold weather. And so he took my car and I was hoping that it'd be warm, but it's not. Yeah, this little girl's gonna see Cyrus and Bella and be like, oh my god! Tinted windows. Anyways, I'm so excited to try that drink. I forgot I was at Starbucks yesterday and I was gonna grab it, but oh fuck. I don't even know where okay, so I don't work until the afternoon. Oh my god, I forgot my ring. I really noticed like ADD when I film myself because I'm like, can't stay on one subject for more than 2 seconds. But for the 46th time, I don't work until the afternoon. And then I have like 2 jobs that I have to go to. And so I'll probably be working a little bit later in the evening, which is okay. But, hi Bill. We're gonna go get a puppuccino. We only get one because they're messy. You're very messy. You're very messy. I'm sorry. And yeah, you guys will see that.
Good morning, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. Are we grabbing you anything to eat this morning?
No, thank you.
Alrighty, well what can we get you to drink then?
Can I get a venti strawberry refresher?
Of course, and venti strawberry refresher.
And then no berries in that, and can I add 3 scoops of matcha?
Yeah, of course, no berries and 3 scoops of the matcha.
And then a little cup of whipped cream.
Alright, and just a little cup of whipped cream.
Mm-hmm.
That sounds great. Will that be all for you today?
Yeah.
Alrighty, no problem.
Thank you.
We will see you up here for 5:56. Thank you.
Thank you. I hate when they have like more to say and then you start pulling away and then you have to stop and somebody almost rear-ends you. Oh, Bella knows what time it is. Just pumped. Bill. Oh my goodness. Shy. Shy, begini papitinho. Begini papitinho. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you know what time it is. Wait.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, you better back up. I have to pull over when they eat these because they are filthy with them. As you can see, they're a little excited. Dang. Okay. Okay, hold on, kiddos. Hold on. Why are you trying to help yourself over here, man? You already got some. Cyrus like lightly licks it. Hold on, buddy. Bella takes like chunks. I don't want any whipped cream on myself. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, they got it all over me. Wow, all over the car, yeah? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Back the cluck up. Back the cluck up. Oh my goodness. Sorry, literally everywhere. It's on my pants. It's on my jacket. No, this is Derek's jacket, so I don't give a fuck because it was freezing. It's probably on my back somewhere. They just make a huge mess. Okay, so like I said, I've never tried this before. This is what it looks like. This isn't the exact same thing that Caitlin gets or the Tanner drink because I don't really like their lemonade. I feel like it's a little too sweet for me. So I just got the strawberry acai with no strawberries and 3 matcha powders. I don't know how much it was. That's really good. That is so good. Oh my god, that's like a new fave. I know the strawberry refreshers are kind of sweet. That's why I was just like, the matcha would probably even it out for sure. But oh, that's bomb. I could drink this whole thing right now. I didn't get it if it doesn't go on Instagram or to Snap, you know? We're gonna take the dogs to go piano. Okay, I'll see you when we get. I wasn't lying when it said it's behind Lowe's. But nobody goes here. Look at how happy. Whoa, girl. Oh, I love doing this. It's like ASMR. What? Oh fuck. Come on. I wish my steering wheel. Can it? Oh, it went a little lower. Alright, so I'm trying to defrost real quick. Bella's bread stinks. Still delicious. And I'm gonna listen to the radio on the way home, so see you guys when I get there. I really don't know if Bella just didn't finish her dinner, or if Derek already fed them. But they might get 2 meals. Go on. Hey, Belle. Sarah stays ready for breakfast. I think Bella has to go. Need to go find me? Away? Okay, girl. Sorry if one side of my face is super bright because that window. We have so many condiments. I'm like such a condiment person. I've cut back quite a bit. I have really cut back on like adding a bunch of extra stuff on it because calories do add up. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit. There's already water in my pan, so it looks, but literally like, it's good. And then I'm gonna use the 100% egg whites and cook up some, and then I have this like pepper jack blend of I will be adding this along with some pepper, and I think that's it. Plus Valentina, I love Valentina. And then I have this 50% less added sugar and sodium, no high fructose corn syrup, and it's gluten free. It kind of tastes a little weird, I'm not gonna lie. If you look at what a regular ketchup bottle has for ingredients, you'll see why. So I added probably about like 2 servings. I'm just gonna let that cook. I'll add some salt and pepper to it. Actually, probably no salt today. Onion powder. Add a little bit of that. A little bit of pepper. I love pepper. I love anything with spice. So there's only a tiny bit of cheese left in this, if you guys can see that. There's just a little bit, so I might just use the rest of that. And yeah, so I ended up adding 1 of these sausages. I usually have 2, but they are 70 calories for 1 patty, which I know that's not a big deal at all, but 1, I'm just not that hungry. 2, I'm adding cheese, and I have this, you know, so a tree. It was on sale at Lowe's because they said it was like dead, but it wasn't. So it is currently 8:58. I feel like I need a nap already. I'm probably leaving to go to the gym at like 9:30-ish. So I'll work out from like 9:45 to like probably 10:45, 11. And then I have to be at work at like 12:30, so I'll probably just swing by my parents. Anyways, I'm probably just gonna end the vlog here so I can get a little bit of editing done, and I will post this video as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.